AI isn't replacing you, and your website probably isn't converting like you think it is. Here's what actually is happening. AI is eliminating friction. It can draft emails, outline proposals, build site frameworks, but it's only as good as your prompts. And your prompts are only as good as your experience. At the same time, websites are shifting. They're becoming less about direct conversions and more about authority, credibility, and machine visibility. Discovery happens on Google, YouTube, social, AI search, Google My Business, TikTok. Your website is the validation checkpoint. So the real question is, are you building a website? Or are you building authority in your sector with your customers, truly shortening the distance between you and your customer? I break down all this in my last two videos, one on AI leverage and one on why websites are evolving in 2026. If you're serious about staying competitive, watch both. Execution and individuality still matter, and that's what will still win.